Maya. So I was having some peanut butter and banana. Maya, come here. Until I realized that Maya hasn't actually had any peanut butter on the roof of her mouth yet. She has had peanut butter. Maya, do you want some? There you go. There we go. How's that? How's that, Maya? How is that? You got a big tongue. He's really talky. Let's see, maybe we have more for up there. Oh.